Hello, hi. Today I'm going to show you how to cut a princess line shape sari jacket. Before you cut, you have to get the measurements. So this sari jacket, this is the back side and it has a sweetheart shaped neck. So to do that, you have to measure the shoulder width. For this one is, I took as shoulder length is 13. So I mark 6.5 to make the shoulder, and from shoulder another 6.5 inches down, mark here to get the bust. So the bust is 36 divided by 4 is 9 inches. For the back side we can take 9 inches, and I left 1 inches for the stitching, and this is 9 inches. And you can get the deep, how deep you want. So this one has 10 inches depth, and the waist is 32. So 32 divided by 4 is 8. So I mark waist as 8 inches and 1 inch for the stitching. So this is the back side of the blouse. And to cut the front side, this is the front side, princess line shape. So same as you have to measure the shoulder. So this is 13, that means 6.5 mark here, 6.5 inches. Then you can measure another 6.5 to measure how the arm neck should be. The bust is 36. In here you have to add 1 more inch. So 36 divided by 4 is 9. At 1 inch is 10 inches, and this is because it has an opening in the front side, and this is 10 inches. You have to mark here, and this is the other part. And we have removed the dart, as you can see here. So there were 2 darts line. One I removed from here, and the other dart is 2-inch dart I removed from there. To how to get the dart, so the first you have to measure from the top 11 inches, or it can be 10 inches. So this one is 10 inches, and from the 10-inch point you have to measure 3.5 inches. Normally the dart is 7 inches, so I mark 3.5 inches, and again from there you have to mark another 3.5 inches, and this is for the hook part. And in here, when you want to get the measurements for the waist, you have to add 2 inches because we removed 2 inches for the dart point. So if for this blouse waist is 32, so that means 8 inches, add 2 inches is 10 inches. So I left 1.5 inches for the hooks, and another 1.5 inches for the stitching. If you leave more space, then when you put on weight, you can adjust this, so you don't want to make a new blouse. So, and here I mark 3.5 inches, and I removed the dart, and that is how I got this shape. And also we removed a dart point from here, so that is 1 inch. So if you remove a dart point 1 inch here, so from here you have to add another 1 inch, and because the arm neck is 18. So this is the princess line front side, and this is the sleeve. So to get the sleeve, you can take a border if you like. For this one, it comes with the it's like a comes with a plate. So that is why I make arm neck is more wider, and we have to put elastic in the bottom to make it more fluffy. So to do this sleeve part, you can measure, this is 6 inches, and from here you can see this as a straight line. From here mark 3.5 inches down and draw a straight line and get the midpoint and get the quarter of these 2 points, and from this point add half an inch up, and from this point add half an inch low, and you can cut this shape. And I forgot to tell you, when you are doing the arm neck for the front side, you can make half an inch more to inside. So, and also when you're cutting, you can cut facing for the neck line like this. To cut the facing, you can keep the material and pin it, and then you can cut the shape, and you can make like 1.5 inches for the stitching. So that is how you can make the princess line sari jacket. I hope you understand. Thank you. Thanks for watching.